All right, so this is part 2. We are now continuing. We have found that x is equals to 9 over 2 or x is equals to 1 over 3. So from the two equations that we have, we take one. So the simpler equation is the one which says 3x is equal to y plus 4, right? So I'm going to take the smaller one, which is 1 over 3. Where there is x, I now substitute 1 over 3, which is now 3 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 3, which is equals to y plus 4. And if you check, 3 into 3, it's 1. 3 into 3, it's 1. So 1 times 1 is equals to 1. So I've got 1, which is equals to y plus 4. Then I transpose the 4. It becomes 1 minus 4, which is equals to y. And 1 minus 4 is equals to negative 3. So I say, therefore, my y is equals to negative 3. I have found the first, when my x is equals to 1 over 3, the y is equals to negative 3. That's the first solution. Then I go to the second solution, whereby I now say, when my x is equals to 9 over 2, so now I write 3 over 1 multiplied by 9 over 2, right, which is equals to y plus 4. There is no common factor. So now I say 9 by 3, which gives me 27. I've got 27 over 1 by 2, which is equals to 2, which is equals to y plus 4. I transpose this 4. Now I've got 27 over 2 minus 4, which is equals to y, right? Now remember, this 4 is a what? I can turn it to become an improper fraction. So I'm having a fraction which is saying 27 over 2 minus 4 over 1. This improper fraction of 4 over 1, I must turn it into a fraction. And the denominator that I'm going to use the denominator which is on the first term, which is 2. So in other words, I'm now going to say 27 over 2 minus 4 over 1 multiplied by 2 over 2 is equal to y. And this 27 over 2 minus 4 by 2 is 8 over 2. Now, I say is equals to y. Then I can conclude that, therefore, my y is equal to y, because now I've got a common denominator. So now I say 27 minus 8. 27 minus 7, it's 20. 20 minus 1, it's 19. So I've got 19 over 2. So the second y, when my x is equals to 9 over 2, then the y is equals to 19 over 2. Now, then I'm done calculating for the simultaneous equation, where I've got, when my x is a third, the y is equals to negative 3, right? And when the x is negative 2, the y is 19 over 2. Done. So I've solved for the quadratic equations. Thank you.